Hey everybody, Andrew here. Welcome to Living the Northern Life. Today, I'm here to pick up something special for the channel. I can't wait for it. I think it's sure going to help us out. Just waiting for it to show up now. All right, we got this thing all loaded. Wow, 600 pounds, give or take. This thing's gonna be awesome. All right, well, we're back at the property here. We're gonna use Big Blue over here, take off the grapple, and I've got an hour to go home. I'm gonna stop and help him out. Woohoo! Want me to drive out? Okay. All right. That's good there. So I left work about 3 o'clock today. It's 9 o'clock now, so that's 6 hours. And I still have an hour to drive home yet. So I'm looking forward to getting home, but I'm gonna chat with Marcel for a couple minutes before I head out. Okay, so we gotta make an adapter for this guy. Just gonna try to take some measurements. Outside to outside, basically 37 and a half. Inside to inside, it's 28 and a half. They are 4 inches wide. This one seems to be a little bit longer. I don't know, 4 inches wide. And not sure exactly how to record this one, but that is 13 inches, and then it's got a piece up top, so it's got to connect into here. We're gonna buy these pieces from Amazon. They're $218.99 or something like that, free shipping. So let's take some measurements here. It is 43 3/4 wide. I don't think it matters how tall it is because we're going to be buying these, but it's 40 or 14 3/4. Okay, so we'll have to do some math to get that all figured out. I'll try to draw something up on SketchUp. All right guys, so we just bought some adapter plates from Amazon. I'm gonna put some links to it down below. All right, so we need to buy some hydraulic hoses with some flat face hydraulic under pressure adapters. There are a difference between under pressure and just regular quick connects. So we're going to get some of those purchased, and in our next video, hopefully in our next video, we're going to be working on building the adapter here for Big Blue to connect to its existing quick connect to hook up to the skid steer quick connect for the Grapple. But we're going to have to try to create a frame here to connect the skid steer loader up to the Big Blue here. We're going to be taking those new plates that we just got from Amazon and trying to adapt them to make this thing work. All right, guys, well, that's going to be it for this one. I was going to take it out of the case here, but if we're going to move it around, it's easy to have it here in its shipping container. We just put the forks through it and move it around. It nothing happens to it and all that good stuff. So anyway, I'm going to put the links to the skid steer loader plates down below. Even though we're not doing anything with it yet, we are an Amazon affiliate, so anything that you guys click on, we get a small commission from. Even if you buy, you click on that link and you buy toilet paper or a book or whatever, ketchup, we receive a small commission, and it's really helpful to the channel here. If you're not a subscriber or following along, hit that subscribe button to follow along. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it sure means the world to us. And until the next one, keep living the Northern life. Thanks for watching Living the Northern Life. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website. Remember to click subscribe, click that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up for the videos you like.